Welcome back, viewers. Moving along, this is the SnoCo Makerspace Woodshop. This is third of 3 videos for our quick walkthrough tour. Over here we have our flat storage for members in the space. Tools. Kind of a mess there, but... And then this is the ugly part of the shop. This is where everything we don't have a home for goes. The big bandsaw. Some workspace here. And then the wood lathe with its tools on top. Table saw. Chop saw back here. And then dust collection, air compressors, joiners, planers, rock saw, belt sanders, scroll saws, mortisers, router tables, etc., etc. Another router table. Over here is our CNC router. It's a SnoCo 3XL. I think that's 16 by 32 for frame, and then the larger CNC router parts. This is a, I think it's 49 by like 51 inches. I think it's CRP 4848's the brand. Uses Mach 3 to run this, but with the Fusion tool set. Back on this wall, of course, we have clamps. You know, all this associated woodworks. This is all in French cleaning, so it can kind of move around as it needs to. The tools like drills and whatnot as well. The handheld power tools. And then workspace. And that concludes our tour of the Makerspace. Thank you for joining on our tour. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us. We'll get back to you as soon as we can.